I know. You're having a big meeting over there at the G20. You know this invention? Yes. I have some items I'd like to sell you in other nations. You need a little more water there. You know, I know you have a lot of human nutrient that you'd like to use in other ways than what you've been using it as. Yes. And you have some junk cars you'd like to get rid of, maybe a little smelting. For every deal that the United States makes with other nations, I'm an inventor and I was wanting to patent some of these innovations. Yes. Now, I'd like to look through the actual patents of every innovation of every nation of the world today. Yes. Seemed that somebody thought they'd sew in this way of knowing how we think, which I thought is one of those that will really could not get my privacy because of your innovations. Yes. I'd put them all on YouTube so that every nation of the world. Now, why don't you get me the patents? Yes. Now, oh, look at here. This is really something. You remember this guy, Nikolai Tesla? Yes. Kind of an interesting individual. There were approximately 38 different harps throughout the world so as to affect the weather systems. Yes. Have you had a hurricane lately? A tsunami, maybe, Japan? I know it's a bad thought, Abe. Not the tsunami, the Fukushima Shima. I happen to have some innovations that could clean that off, and I explained to the Japanese while I was at Guam. Yeah, I could get 80% of the reconstruction costs paid for from other nations if you let me handle the negotiations. Now, I know you're over there talking about a bunch of shit that nobody gives a fuck about because